Up for sale, I got a 1972 Nova Super Sport, true Super Sport, finished in factory correct colors. I'm going to walk around and tell you about the car, fire it up, drive it. So if you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you. Like I said, 1972 Nova, true Super Sport, K code Nova, finished in factory correct. I think it's Molizan, however you pronounce it, blue, with the black vinyl top, black bucket seats, it's a factory console car and factory Tach. So it's finished in all factory correct colors. I'm going to walk around it, like I said, point out things that I do see. For starters, it's a one repaint, so right off the bat, there's various flaws, stone chips on the car as you go, chips, scratches, maybe some checking throughout the car. So with that being said, I'm not going to spend too much time pointing it out, as you know, there's a little bit of just various checking there, stone chips. Anyway, I'm going to pop the hood. It's 350 headers, aluminum radiator, electric fan. There's a 70 Nova, that's coming soon. Power brakes with front disc, trim tag in place still, showing the correct combination. I'll have a picture of that on the ad. MSD ignition, super nice underhood. Now the nice thing about this car is, although it is a one repaint, the body has zero rust. It's all steel, original body panels, no Bondo. Now, with that being said, being original paint and stone chips throughout, you see a nice line of them down here. It was recently painted from this line down on the whole car, and so chips, stop, new paint, or the rockers, that's the word. So there's that. So it's not full one repaint, but it has that because it was loaded with stone chips and they painted it. There's no Bondo. So even back there you see some of the various stone chips. Again, it's all steel. There's no patches, no cutouts, no welds with the body. So, you know, is it a perfect candidate for a factory correct Molizan blue? It is, and that car would be nice all the way around. Really, really nice. So, you know, you could drive it as is, no problems. And anyway, we're going to carry on here. Like I said, 72 Nova with the factory Super Sport, K code in the VIN, black interior, which is factory correct, with the bucket seats, console, nice door jambs. Again, being a one repaint, this is probably original paint in the door jambs. It could have been repainted with the car, but I'm not sure. But there's no rust, there's no rot. The undercarriage is all original floors with the subframe. Those have zero rust, no patches. Nice dash pad. Console with the gauges, automatic. It's a 350, estimated about 400 horsepower. And there's the factory Tach down there. Now they did put this one on, but probably during the conversion of the 350 and all that, they took it out, put a different Tach in, a little more reliable. Regular steering wheel, a little out of alignment when you drive it. Back seat looks excellent. Headliner super nice. Get a better look. I don't think there's any holes in the headliner. Nice to see on a more original car. So definitely the interior was updated at some point more recent than the paint. Factory correct vinyl top, excellent condition. I think there's just a little piece that was ripped out right there, smaller than your pinky fingernail. And being all original body in steel, body super straight. Oh, I'm still zoomed out, excuse me. Body is super straight. Lower quarters are excellent. Again, no Bondo in there. There's no bubbles on the car, no bubbles in any of the quarters. Lower quarters, the rockers, nothing. More chips, and I didn't address the front bumper, but both bumpers are in pretty nice condition. You know, a little bit of faint pitting on there, some marks, more on the original side. Car looks to be, I think the odometer is 71,000 original miles, or 75,000. Which, from looking at the car, the body, the underneath, all those signs point to it being lower original miles. Again, Super Sport, couple marks there. Trunk pan is in, it's all black. No welds, no cuts, no rust, no patches. You have the original jack setup still here because it lines up down there. Trunk mat. And I thought I had wrapped it up, but I didn't. This front plastic piece just has a couple little cracks. This is more than likely the original front piece there, so that can be replaced. You don't see too many Super Sport Novas anymore. Factory correct wheels, white letter with the rallies and like the 68 rally cap. Again, various stone chips there. More there on that line, and again, that lower portion was painted to avoid a lot of those stone chips. All the glass is in excellent condition. All of the window moldings, like trim like this, real nice condition. I don't think there's any dents on it. I'm gonna do a quick little go over. Okay, two little guys right there, but other than that, pretty nice window molding, all that. Super nice condition. Again, nice glass, a little tint on top. Again, no cracks on the dash pad. Paint here normally susceptible to a lot of scratches. I would say pretty nice condition, not really too many marks. If you can get a good look at it. Again, factory console, automatic. So, will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of the video where you can find the price, so please don't comment and ask me how much it is when you can easily go click on the link and check it out for yourself. If you're coming from eBay to view it, thanks for watching. If you're just from YouTube and you're interested, maybe you saw it, thanks for watching. Again, one repaint, factory colors, real Super Sport Nova, 350, 400 horsepower, power front disc brakes, 12-bolt rear Posi, by the way, aluminum radiator, electric fan, factory colors. We'll fire it up right now, and you can hear it run, and we'll drive it so you can see it run and hear it. Sounds real nice. Anything else before I phase out of this? Again, one repaint, 0 rust, no Bondo. Thanks for watching. We're going to fire it up now.